Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to create a bootable USB for the latest version of Windows 11 24H2. It's quick, easy and will save a lot of time if you ever need to reinstall Windows. So grab your USB drive and let's get started. Before we begin, let's make sure you have everything you need. You will need an 8GB or larger USB drive, a Windows 11 24H2 ISO file which you can download directly from the Microsoft websites. If you don't have the 24H2 version, I have attached a video on how to download the latest version. Just click the I button in the top corner to watch that video. Rufus, a free tool we will use to create the bootable USB. First thing first, let's download Rufus. Head over to your browser and type rufus.ie. This will take you to the official Rufus website. Scroll down until you see the download section and grab the latest version of Rufus. It's lightweight and would not take more than a minute to download. Once it's downloaded, just double click to run it. No installation is required since Rufus is a footable tool, nice and simple. Next, plug in your USB drive. Make sure there is no important data on it because this process will wipe everything clean. Now open Rufus and you should see your USB drive detected automatically. In the second step, click on the boot selection drop down and select your Windows 11 24H2 ISO file. You can browse and find it wherever you downloaded it. Now let's talk about the partition scheme. You will have two options here, GPT and MBR. If your system is UEFI based, which most modern PCs are, you will want to use GPT. But if you are installing Windows on an older BIOS system, choose MBR. For Windows 11, we recommend using GPT as it's more secure and takes full advantage of UEFI features. Just select GPT under partition scheme and make sure the target system is set to UEFI. Alright, once it's done, check the file system. It should be NTFS. If everything looks good, click start. A warning will pop up telling you that all data on the USB drive will be destroyed. Just hit OK to process. Rufus will take a few minutes to create your bootable USB. You will see the progress bar fill up, and once it's finished, you will have a fully functional bootable USB drive ready to install Windows 11 24H2. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tutorial. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.